Today I am restoring a Giant GFR BMX. It was red but the paint was all faded, scratched and chipped, so I painted it blue, somewhat the same color as the iconic Yeti blue. Restored its slightly rusted chrome fork with some barkeeper's friend. The fork looks like new again. I relubed and regreased its moving parts for a smooth and noise-free ride. Tighten its nuts and bolts secure for safety. And finally, the test ride. It's been decades since I rode a BMX. It feels nostalgic, but I'm too big for it now.